there. I am Miss Denise, your school nurse, and today I want to talk to you about how to be a superhero for your teeth. Yes, you can be a superhero for your teeth. And you may wonder, why? How? Well, let me tell you. Number one, your teeth are very important because they're going to be with you for life. Number two, they're important because they help you chew your foods before you could swallow them. So they help you eat. Number three, they help you smile. And number four, they help you speak. So how can you be a superhero for your teeth? Well, let me tell you. You could be brushing your teeth at least twice a day. Yes, brush your teeth in the morning and brush your teeth before you go to bed. Number two, you should be visiting the dentist. So if you haven't been to the dentist, please let your parents know that the nurse said I should see the dentist. Yes, you should see the dentist at least twice a year. And what they do, they will check your teeth. They will help you clean your teeth. And they're going to make sure that they're growing healthy and that they're growing strong. And then number three, another thing that you could do to help your teeth grow strong and healthy is to avoid or limit the amount of candy and chips and soda and all those sugary foods. It's not that you cannot eat them, it's that you want to eat less of them because those type of foods stick to your teeth and they will cause some pain. They could cause what is called cavities. They could cause infections, and those are not fun. They actually will make your teeth hurt. So if you could see behind me, you could see a picture of some of the things that I am talking about. We have a picture over here of when you visit the dentist, and you don't have to be afraid of the dentist. They're actually going to be very nice to you and help you. And then you can see how the candies can make your teeth weak, and the choices of eating healthy fruits and vegetables and water and all that good stuff. But another thing that I want to share with you is, what do you need to brush your teeth? So number one, you need a toothbrush. Yes, you see, very simple. Number two, you need some toothpaste, and it could be the toothpaste that your parents purchased. Doesn't have to be anything fancy. And then number three, you will need water. I don't have water right here in front of me, but you will need water. So when you're done, you could just rinse and spit out after you have done brushing your teeth. So I have a friend of mine over here. I call him Mr. Chompers. Hello. And with him, we're going to practice how to brush our teeth. So we're going to imagine that we have a small amount of toothpaste on our toothbrush. And when I say small amount, we compare it to a pea. Yes, those green, round, small vegetables. So that will be the amount to place on your toothbrush. And if you look at my toothpaste, I don't know if you can see it very well, but this little cap is round, so that will be the amount to place on your toothbrush. So if we follow what this poster says, bulletin board, number one, it is telling us to brush the outside of our teeth. So I'm going to grab my toothbrush and brush all the way on the outside. You could go in circular motions. You don't have to be very rough with your teeth. You could be gentle and just brush all the way on the outside. Then number two is telling us to brush on the inside. So that means we have to open our mouth and brush the inside, making sure you're brushing each and every one of your teeth. Number three is telling us to brush in the back. So we're going to keep that mouth open and make sure we cover all the way in the back. And yep, he's missing a couple teeth here, but still we're going to brush that area. So we're going to go all the way in the back. Number four is telling us to brush the top and the bottom. So you're going to turn your toothbrush and brush the top and brush the bottom. And last but not least is going to be your tongue. Mr. Chompers over here doesn't have a tongue, but we're going to imagine he has one, and we're going to be very gentle with our tongue. We're going to go 1, 2, 3, and brush our tongue very gently. So after we brush everything around, in the front, in the back, in the inside, top and bottom, and our tongue, then we're going to rinse our mouth with some water and spit it out. You don't want to swallow that, okay? And once you're all done, at your age, you can start flossing, but you will need the help of an adult, your parent or one of your siblings or your grandparents, whoever's home with you when you're brushing your teeth. For my daughter, I use these type of flosses because they're very easy to use, and then I just throw them away after I use them. But then there's this container that is also a floss, and I'm going to show you what it looks like. It's a piece of string, and it comes out, and then what we do is that we will go in between of our teeth, just in case anything that stayed behind, any little pieces of food. So it will go in between the teeth, and we wiggle, 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 and go in between each and every one of your teeth. But that is something that you will need a grown-up to help you with, okay? So now we're all done. We learned how to take care of our teeth. Remember, brushing them 2 times a day, at least 2 times a day, in the morning and before you go to bed. And that is going to help you to be a superhero for your teeth, so your teeth can grow strong and healthy. So I really hope that this information is helpful for you, and that you let your parents know what you learned today, and that you do it each and every day. Remember, you're going to need that toothbrush, you're going to need toothpaste, and you're going to need some water to brush your teeth. So I hope you have a great day. It was nice talking to you. Bye.